Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a custom 1967 Mercury Cougar right here, and wait till you see what is stuffed under that hood. It's a 5.0 32 valve Coyote motor, and it has twin turbos, not one, but two turbos. This thing's making about 650 horsepower, has the overdrive automatic trans, a built 9-inch rear end. This thing really scoots. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, look at all the pictures, and you'll find price tags on all of the cars we have at volocars.com, along with the monthly finance option as well. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon so you can be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, buckle up, let's go for a spin. So underneath the car is some good stuff going on. It's got a new Heights front end under there. It's all independent suspension, tubular control arms, coil-over shocks, new sway bar, rack and pinion steering. It's all new Heights front end. It has frame connectors welded in to prevent some body twist. Goes from the front to the back. In back, it does have traction bars, has gas shocks all the way around as well. Great sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system, Aeromotive fuel line system and fittings and that. That's some nice stuff. Willwood disc brake conversion in front. They're drum in back. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter's been replaced. It has the Ford overdrive. It's actually a 6-speed automatic transmission, custom transmission mount, rebuilt drive shaft, Ford 9-inch rear end with hardened axles and 350 or 355 posi gears in there. So underneath has some good stuff, good performance stuff. The floors are all real good. They very neatly put in one floor pan. The rest of it looks real solid, so it's all solid now. And it's just been painted black under there. So let's check out the body. I noticed down the sides there's no emblems or marker lights or anything. I don't know if they had marker lights in '67, but it's all metal for a nice clean look. The hood is a fiberglass hood. It's got the dual racing pins. The detailers left one of the pins back in the shop, so we'll put that back in. Obviously, has a big old scoop, but it's straight and fits nice. Top of the fender's straight. Looking down the side, I will say this thing is really straight. You got a really nice body line here. It's not wavy or funny looking at all. It's all nice body line, smooth along the bottoms, no bubbles. No damage, no vinyl tops, all just smooth, clean metal. All nice. Even behind the tire here, there are some rock chips, but no bubbles or damage. Has the dovetail fiberglass trunk lid like a Shelby would have, and the end caps that match. There's no key. It opens from remote inside the car. It's got the sequential turn signal lights, blacked out bumpers. Glass is tinted. There are some light scratches in the glass. You got 17-inch American Muscle wheels. They look new with performance tires. A little bit meatier in the back than the front. Door handles look nice. This side of the body, just as nice as the other side. This is all real good. Yeah, body is in excellent shape. The paint is real nice. Like they could have wet sanded and buffed this pillar a little bit better. There's little imperfections, but overall, very good paint, sharp color. The dark blue metallic is really sharp looking. Little chip, the clear coat chipped off right above the door handle there. Notice the headlights, they're designed to just stay fixed instead of opening. The light shines right through. No emblems, blacked out bumper. New antenna. Now I'm looking at the paint again here. The windshield looks nice and clear. Probably been replaced. There is a scratch right here. It's been touched up. A thin scratch. There are some freckles on the window frame. Little scuff on the glass here when they were doing body work. They must have touched the glass a little bit. So minor imperfections like that, but overall the car shows really well. Again, it's got a look, a stance, the color, everything about it really sharp. So why don't we open it up? Anxious to show you what's under that hood. Okay, so again, there's an inside trunk release, which I already pulled the lever. Apparently, this is an aftermarket fiberglass trunk, so it doesn't have the springs, so that must be what this board is for, to hold the trunk lid up. The battery's been relocated to the trunk. It's in this nice secured box. You got the spare tire, you got the matte tire cover, punch, subwoofer there. Under the trunk lid and the jam, they're painted, but the paint's a little dry. It's not real glossy. The latch is new. Door jambs, they're glossy. Weather strip looks like it's been replaced. Door panels are in good shape. They look like good original, not new. The lights work in the door panels. The joystick on the remote mirror is a little worn or rusty. So the dash pad looks like it's new. It has a carbon fiber sticker over the center console and across the dash. You got a leather grip steering wheel here. Does have a touch screen stereo, and supposedly there's an amplifier, subwoofer, backup camera. It has a push button starter. This is a gauge for your turbos. Got some extra gauges here. It's got a ratchet shifter, B&M shifter, cup holders. Yeah, center console here. Seats have been reupholstered. Back seats reupholstered. The side panels are in real good shape. It's got big 6x9 speakers in the back. Headliner's replaced. There's a few wrinkles in it, but it is new. The visors are new. So, good interior. But this is what makes this one special. The Coyote motor by itself puts out well over 400 horsepower. It's an all aluminum motor, 32 valve. And this thing here is a custom intake system and twin turbos. They had to really work hard to get both of those to fit. And you know what else they fit in here is air conditioning. So they got a lot stuffed into this motor compartment. And if you do ask for Joey, if you call on this car, he knows the most about this stuff. He's built a lot of turbo engines and that, so he can answer questions better than I can. Big aluminum radiator, keeps it cool with dual electric fans, has an overflow. I assume this is an intercooler up front. It is. Big aluminum intercooler. So this thing really, really scoots. Power brakes. Looks like it's probably manual steering, but it is power brakes. So, yeah, a lot going on here. A lot of good stuff. So there you have it. It's a unique car. You want to pull into the car show and not have a Camaro or a Chevelle or a Mustang. Here's a Cougar. You want to go fast. Come on, you're not going to get much faster than that, especially in a street car. Doors shut nice, I noticed. Go to volocars.com. I gave you my impression of this car. Talk to the salesman. They'll try and answer your questions the best they can. They can help deliver this anywhere. They can help you finance the car at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.